I'm good. How are you doing too?
I'm also good. I'm also good. Thank you for asking me. And the headset that you have, it's nice looking. It's look
Wait,
nice.
sorry?
The headset that you have, it's very nice to look.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Why?
I don't know why. Probably it's very lightweight. It seems like it's very lightweight, and your sound is also very great to hear. There is no problem.
Oh,
No
really?
trouble to get
Thank you
you.
for that. I
Yeah.
appreciate it because I actually want to change my headphone because I don't know, I meet several people in here that they can't hear my voice. I don't know why. Maybe because my headphone or not. So,
No, no, no. Your
yeah.
headphone sounds is really great. I would say I have also one. Like you, but currently I'm not using it. If you want, I can show you. This is my very well headphone, but
Oh, that's nice.
yes, it's very nice, and its sound is very nice as well. Its microphone is
Yeah,
also
it
great.
is. It is look like.
Yeah, because it's very expensive. I have bought it probably 1 years ago, but sometimes it's boring to use headphone all the time.
Yeah, but I think at least if you buy it expensive, at least you can using it like long lasting.
Yes,
Because
if you
oh, you
expense
can
a
go
well
first.
money for it, if you expense a good money for it, then you probably will get a good band headset that will be long lasting and sound will be great, and you will be get like good benefits from it.
Yeah, yeah. I also think about that because my mindset is I think it's better to buy the expensive one compared to the cheapest but not long lasting. So I prefer to buy it expensive, but it can be like long lasting because it's lazy. I think it's lazy things to me to buy again for the same things, but it's not long lasting. So I think it can be resulted expensive if you
Yes,
buy the
definitely.
cheapest.
So how does it cost of your headset?
I don't know in dollar, so I think I can't say it. If I
Okay.
know in dollar, maybe I can say it.
So $1 to how much currency in your home country?
I think it's so. I a bit forget, but I think $1 in my currency in Indonesia is 15 cent, 15,000.
15,000 equal to
Yeah.
on equal
No,
to
it's 16,000 and $1.
$1 equal to 16,000. It's a very big, it's a huge.
I don't know about that, but how about in Bangladesh?
In Bangladesh, $1 equal to only 115 taka or 110 sometimes. But before 1 years ago, that was like 44, 84 to 85, and sometimes it's 100 or something like
Wow,
that.
it's like increased so fast.
Yes, it increased a lot because currently 110 probably
Oh,
on US dollar to 110 Bangladeshi taka.
oh, I see. By the way, what can I call you? Omi?
Yes, you can call me Omi because it's very simple.
Oh, okay, okay. I think your English is really good, bro.
Wow, thank you very much, sister, because you have told me that my English is very well, and I also want my English language very well because whenever I meet new people, if I can't express my like feelings and what I'm thinking about and what I really want to express, if I can't express, then probably sometimes it make you so embarrassed and so annoying as well, that will make you
Yeah,
more angry sometimes. So I want my English language more fluency than now, and so for this reason, I am practicing every day. I am trying hard to get more fluency, more accuracy, and more like uh, grammar error free I want in my communications. That's why I am
Yeah.
practicing.
Oh, wow.
Yes,
You must be put a big effort in your English learning.
yes, definitely. And I would say your English is also really great. So may I know, please, how long have you been learning English language?
Oh, really? Thank you so much for that. I appreciate it. So,
Yes.
I think I already serious for studying English for past 1 year. But before that, I just like learning the basic things. But because I want to study abroad and I want to take the IELTS test, so I
Yeah,
prepare
in
for
my
like
case,
one
I'm
year.
also preparing myself for IELTS exam. So you can share your WhatsApp number, then I will contact you, then I will discuss with you about the IELTS exams. What is the situation in your home country? Then I will be able to share my country situation as well. And if possible, then I'll be able to get some information regarding IELTS exam. And that would be good if we talk about the IELTS related topic every day.